Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to add a custom watermark in the camera on this device. So firstly you have to open the camera, tap here, go to its settings, then go to the watermark, then you have to enable watermark of course, and tap custom watermark, and here you can add your custom watermark or wherever. And now let's try to make a picture. And as you can see now it has my custom watermark. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.